Greetings to you. We all want to be happy in all the time. We wish to have joy, peace, glad, and pleasure in all the days of our lives. We all heard this happiness forever, which can be found only in heaven. Heaven is the place where is no sad, no sorrows, no pain, no tears, no mourning, no groaning, no troubles, etc. But we are living in a precarious world because we do not know what would happen in the next second of our lives. In spite of this uncertainty of life, will we perceive the happiness in each and every moment? Yes, definitely. When the kingdom of heaven is in us, we could have the joyful and peaceful life. Let's read Matthew chapter 5, verse 3. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for thine is the kingdom of heaven. This verse says clearly that those who are poor in spirit, there is the kingdom of heaven. If we want the kingdom of heaven in you, you need to do certain things. Firstly, thirst to seek God. In order to understand this concept, let me give an example. Everybody will be thirst and hunger physically. Whenever we are thirst, we drink water immediately. Whenever we are hungry, we eat food. After having food or water, we are satisfied for some time. But we never satisfied in all the time. We never supposed to stop either taking food or drinking water. Similarly, we should have thirst to seek God's presence. We should have hunger on God's word. If the cup is to be filled, it should be empty. In same way, we should be emptied ourselves and being filled with the presence of God. Secondly, be simple in spiritual life. We must not boast of us about our spiritual lives. We should not have any kind of spiritual pride like I am fasting for 3 days, 7 days or 40 days. I am reading Bible every day. I am reading 10 chapters in every day. I am giving offering. I am involving so many ministries in our church. No. These statements are not at all pleasing God because our God resists the pride. Then what we do is we should have Christ-like mind, who is so simple and humble before God, though he is Son of God. In such a way, we should have simplicity in our lives. Thirdly, priority to God. Although we are in busy world with so many plans, projects, activities and workloads, we should give priority to our Creator because He is the reason for our existence. Without His grace, can we live? Without His permission, can we have time? Because He only gives us life. He only gives us time. So we should give priority for Him more than our lifestyles. When we are thirst to seek God, when we are having simplicity in our spiritual lives, when we are giving priority to God, we would have the kingdom of heaven in us. We would feel the happiness in our lives. We would have the joyful life. May the Spirit of God lead us in the way of happiness and bless us to have joyful life. Thank you.